Let me take time to greet all the viewers. My name is Mandla Nxumalo. I am by profession a business development specialist. I work with a number of businesses, but the one that I'm particularly working with these days is InstaCash. As a person, I think I am a go-getter. I'm a person that always looks to make a difference in the shortest possible time. I enjoy my private time. I enjoy what I do, and I interact a lot with people, and I think I'm a good person. When I was growing up, I wanted to be a pilot. You know, when you grow up, it changes from time to time. I really liked how they carry themselves around, but as I grow up into sort of high school, the line that I wanted to go into was business. And because obviously the first thing you look at is business is making money, but it sort of evolved from there. I went straight into accounting. I loved accounting for quite some time, but I went to work for a company that had a lot of engineers. Every time we had a chat after work, I'm talking about how my numbers balanced at the end of the day. They are talking about real stories like, hey, we struggled with that bend on that bridge across Mahala. So for them, it was something more practical now. So I sort of transitioned from core accounting to actually supporting businesses more in terms of strategy and all those things. I no longer just do accounting, which is and after the matter thing, so to say. So from pilot to actually where I'm at today, it's quite a long transition. A job I could never do is actually being a coast guard or someone that looks after people at the beach or even at a swimming pool, because I can't swim. I can't swim to save my life. So it's a job I would never do, definitely. I'm actually feeling a bit tense. Even the questions here, I was hoping I'm going to get in advance, so I prepared myself. So I can't wait for the next one, but I'm anxious, very anxious. Okay, yeah. Let me go change, and so that I can find out what my profession for the day is going to be. Looking forward to it. Now I'm done with changing. The suit is off. Let's find out what I'll be doing for the rest of the day. Boss lady. Hey, how are you? I'm alright. No. No, so. Yeah. Sengati advertising the interview. I work well under pressure. With minimal supervision. I'm looking forward to it.
Send makeup, siyafundzisa bamphana labaqeda esikolweni nalabafuna kwati khona nje bangete ku skills sabo, since i-economy yethu kulamalanga idinga ukuthi ungabe umuntu lo umsebenzi munye wente i-side hustle eceleni. Siyapromota, sivarisha bomake nabo babe. Siyajabula ukuthi namhla wena udaba i-makeup artist yethu udabe ukuthathwa yimi kule tutorial yethu.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to it.
Yes.
Yeah. No idea. So start proving how good you are today because you're gonna work with someone that never did it.
I think that improve.
Yeah.
My wife's remove makeup remover yethu.
Okay.
Because this is makasuke ekhaya usuke afake sunscreen yakhe nawe moisturizer.
Okay.
So kufuna ukuthi simsule nge-remove ngicomkambene ke nange my wipes ethu I non-alcohol sendela ukuthi angano rash. You can have one piece. Yes.
Then how much should I apply?
Nje sifake kancane. Okay.
It's fine.
Yes. Kumwayiphele.
Okay.
Yes, gentle. Kancane kahle. Yes.
Kude liqopho.
Kahle. Kude liqopho.
Noma kuyelisakane ma orange ones. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Yonke lenza.
Yes, yonke bolobuso nje sifocus ebusweni.
Okay. I namhla ngifuna tayibona.
La ngomdustbin yakho we. Ngicela ngilahlele ngebhotwana.
Okay.
Ngomvalele. Nayike setting spray. Ngeke uvele uspray face the client. Spray akaso because utothuka ngithi kuyabanza futhi.
Yes. Okay.
That's all.
That's an angle. Okay.
Yes. Donate sis. Hey. Sister yake foundation yethu.
Okay.
Nawa ma foundation zethu.
So
Ahlukene.
so bona pizza hluke.
Sitawenda kasoke.
Okay.
Hambela ngala wena.
Okay.
Uphena ile dark. Saqala sifake le.
Okay.
Uyawubona yini lo mehluko walobo esikwenda before
Yeah.
kune makeup kude makeup.
Yeah, no. There's a huge
Then
difference.
ngiyala ngithi uyabona la asikakhona ukufaka kahle la kule hairline.
Yeah.
Yaba siyoblenda i-hairline, siblenda tindlebe, siblenda i-neck. So
No
complement.
problem. Okay.
Yes.
So it's still enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uyakwati draw?
No.
I'll draw nje at all. Popeye kude nje.
Yes.
Moto.
Nothing artistic.
Okay. Because nyalo ngifuna sende my eyebrows. My eyebrows involve drawing most of the time.
Okay. No. But it's symmetric ngiyayibona.
Yeah.
But asymmetric ngasheshe ngikuchela.
No problem. Nanga-ke ma-tools ethu ek-draw. Sitawenda ama-eyebrows.
Okay.
Utawubukela mina ngidakumela.
Okay.
Yes. Uyangibona ukuthi ngibe njani?
Yeah.
Ngisebenzisa my thumb na number 4 ngibamba kaso.
Okay.
Sisicimeta. Ngiyabrusha. Okay, ngihambela.
Okay.
Ngiyabrusha la akhe ma-eyebrows. Ndowanika kahle direction. Budget. Ngiyambeka le brush. Pencil yami ufuna ibe sharp.
Okay.
Lokhona drawer. Ngicala la close kule lag. Mina nje drawing. Pencil yami angifaki deep. Ngathi ngiyatrace.
Nazo simkhokhele. Okay.
Agcineni ngakhitheli. Brusha ke.
So this is ngisebenza nga left yeah.
Okay, bito kumela ngalana.
Yeah. So ngishaya no left.
No problem.
thumb here.
Yes.
Then it's go like this.
Perfect.
Okay.
Mandla.
My assistant now.
Yeah.
So just go straight. Starting up.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Keep the 40. Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Go back. Hamba straight. Okay. Tailor. Keep the tail. Okay. Ngichaze nebalancing ngibonile ukuthi balances.
Yeah. Okay.
Senza blender sesiyahlanganisa i-drawing nema-eyebrows akhe mbamba.
Yeah.
Yes. Dophuma kahle le artificial.
Okay. So sesiyahlanganisa maybe at that so judge.
Okay, ma-concealer ethu.
Okay.
Ngiyale sesifuna kuhlukanisa le-drawing yethu le bese draw toba neat.
Okay.
Sitawungena nge-concealer la under the drawing. Sibalansise ishiya lethu siphinde sifake i-concealer futhi la. Then solo sonke isikhathi i-foundation i-concealer usebenzisa isandla yabo.
Okay.
Yes. Sasathatha 2 yama-concealer ungafaka nawe. Yabona ama-concealer ethu awafani kunale dark nale light.
Yeah.
Okay. Brush lethu only for concealer.
Okay.
Siyaliconsisa because lona ngeke khona ulisharpna ubani brush.
Brush, yeah.
Siyiconsisa ngale concealer. Because
Okay.
it's on a straight line.
Okay.
Leba brush namhamba kancane kwami. Okay, siqale ekuqaleni. Sizokhona kushekhahle la i-good. Iblendele ke ngihambe ngiblendela. Good. Lonke liso. Blender. Now we're going to color up the tail.
Okay. I need your sideways.
Yeah, a little long again.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
One direction now.
Yeah, one direction. Ayalingana yini. Siyabuka buya phansi ngemuva kancane.
Okay.
Bese sisiphambisa ubuso bakhe. Wena ubona kanjani?
Okay. Ngiphume kancane la.
Phume kancane la.
La.
Okay.
Should be a bit darker into.
Okay, bacabanga ukuthi singalungisa kanjani?
Ngipencil sesikancane nje.
Okay. Excellent. So. Ngiyakwenza ama-eyebrows.
Okay.
Safaka i-concealer, silungiselela i-eyeshadow. Lokuthi sifake i-concealer sendela ukuthi le color masiyifaka i-purple
ivele purple. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Make that absorb on there. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Brush lethu leli lifaka eyeshadow. Ma-eyeshadows ethu la.
Okay.
Then uma ufaka i-eyeshadow yokuthi umuntu ugqoke kanjani. Ngiyathanda ukuthi simkhumule.
Okay.
Umbuke ukuthi icabanga ukuthi singasebenzisa yiphi wena ikhali leta blender nje nale
Another outfit. I think men in colors. Okay, let's go for. Let's try this one.
Okay. All the time uqale eyeshadow uqale lefonini. Hamba sakho sihambisa kahle because sidila neliso.
Okay.
Akamele i-client yethu iphume seyivuvuke emehlo.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Sicala efoneni. Okay. Hamba kancane. Yes. Ukhona la ayishintshe. Ukahle kuyakumithi kuyathela. Ngoba phakathi kune foundation vele.
Sesihambe kangaka bese
Sesiphinde sicale lapha.
bese ngiyasula.
This is still wenda nema eyelashes, false eyelashes.
Okay.
Yes. Liquid liner ngiyikhulema. Sifuna kwenda le line la sikabeka khona le eyeliner. Gcogcina bese sijolisi. Yabathi ngicela ku yafoneni laleliso small tail. Ngiyaphola. Ngizokuthi ngithatha back. Yafana nale besikwenda lapha ama-square.
Okay.
Masibeka my eyebrows.
So it just needs a line just above the. Okay. Isuke yaba.
Yes, then bese kuya lapho ngena khathi sona. Okay. Hamba straight. Yes.
Yes.
Kwaba nento le kabi chance siyafaka i-wipe kodwa inkinga yi-clean. Clean.
Uzostofaka in la.
My eyelashes, false eyelashes.
Okay. Sharp kahle manje. My tail just sengicale ibe
Nalo ke siyafaka false eyelashes. Dinko.
Okay.
Kasebenzisa iphika yakho.
Okay.
Once nje koneni.
Oh, I can stick here. There you go.
Then this is nana included for yalama false eyelashes.
Okay.
So find just a small amount of glue. Then we have a pair of scissors. Thick glue. So a lovely strip. So if I have a glue, I'm going to my eyelashes. I can last an hour for the whole day. Maybe a function so like same because it was in some
Okay.
So let's cut this cut and that's a puzzle. I'm cutting,
Okay.
so I'm cutting one so just push it to the corner. Pull the skin, now the drawing. This will be my corner.
Okay.
Push it towards the skin. You don't want to push it. It's on a push up.
Okay.
Because I'm going to declined. You say 10 years ago, I'm cutting. Botola, so much to take surprise. Fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Botola,
Yeah, they just.
yes.
Okay.
Fusila, because you double.
Okay.
Start to learn brush.
Okay.
File level at least 3.
Okay. So cutting my edges, Just cutting my edges.
Yes, cutting. Cutting.
Okay. Is this?
My edges.
Is this enough though?
Yeah, they're close enough.
Okay.
Push towards the skin.
Okay.
Push. Bigger push.
Okay.
Okay. Bigger passes.
Okay. Hey. The right here, directly.
Ulibambe so.
Okay.
Swipe la.
Okay.
Dokona bambe nje. Bamba ke.
Okay.
Sifaka iphathini kuqala.
Okay.
Pusha. Okay. Release ipika yakho.
Hey, that was the hardest one. This
Ah,
one was the hardest.
Good.
This one was the hardest to do.
I know. But we're done.
Lari liyamulega la. So ngiyakubona isingabe yabona ke le.
Sisicedile kufaka
Yeah.
inkope, sisicedile bito kuthiwe i-era.
Okay.
Then into lesitayenda because ngiyale sistory yakho sofaka ama-highlights. But
Okay.
ngeke siye kofaka ama-highlights singakacedi ngale i-era.
Okay.
Sibalansise sibuye sibalansise le kahle.
Kahle. Okay. Dangiya. Buka phela.
Banana.
Nokulele kugena le lama-lashes ngasanye.
Njalo-ke sesiyaklina ngenyalo. Sesibekele embili. Sisebenzisa
Okay.
i-contour powder.
Okay.
Brush le concealer. Sakhatha. Siba lama-lips, i-shade. So uyabona bese ihleli kahle lipstick i-corrector kanjalo. Yalo bese siyahlanganisa ke, siyablenda futhi. Sihlanganisa le concealer nale foundation bese ifake kuqala.
Okay.
Athi uyambona njalo so yakhanya la, ukhanya la.
Yeah.
Lana so dark. Sitawubuyela kuleli light i-eyeshadow. Lelo kubitwa kuthiwa i-contour. Kuyatrenda nje kulamalanga. Wonke umlobi ithabo kulamalanga ufuna i-contour.
Ni-contour. Okay.
Athi singena kuleli kona. Still masibenda asihambi kakhulu isandla sihamba kancane ngoba sisebenza ngebuso lana nangemehlo.
Yeah.
Singangeda. Uva ngathi seyile kucule sponge sakho khona le controller.
Okay.
Ungasayi edit foundation is salisebenzisa le sponge. Khona uyiblenda kahle.
Okay.
Bese ke sothatha ke lithanga lakho lokusebenzisa futhi lebidingiwe endaweni
Yeah.
kuso asifunde ukuthi kubonakale ukuthi i-makeup yethu iqale iphi
Yaqina. Okay.
so sizama kuhlanganisa skin and hair.
All of my edges.
Yes, edges. Kancane nje. Masocedile ke makeup umuntu umsulela sibuko.
Okay. Phew. Short. Shock of your life. Shock of your life.
Then uyambuta ukuthi sisina umsebenzisi esicedzile ku-makeup ila kanjani awubutwa
Ucabanga ukuthi kutaba kanjani nje?
Sengijake kubuka ngoba angeke ngami-makeup but nje ngiyathemba ukuthi kutaba i-challenge.
bangathi nje uyamrate ungamnika hamini
99. Oh, no,
okay ngiyabhodi njengoba-ke sesicedzile-ke kwenta i-makeup mina-ke nje yalo ngiyakurate ngakuniketa 7 out of 10 ngijabule
Okay.
kuba nawe
Okay, well. Okay, no, thank you very much. It's been an experience. At first, the pressure yami ukuthi ngiye office ngijanjani, and then once you learn to enjoy it as an art now, bese kuba khona lokuba calm, and my hands were shaking earlier, you know. But over time, as it comes out beautiful like this. So thank you just for this time off. I enjoyed myself, and I'm sure I'll come back sometime over the weekend just to actually help out when it's busy. So thank you very much. It's been good.